Hello, hi, my name is Rory. I'm a member of the Forex Beginners Academy. This is a program which has been produced and is instructed by Saad Ali. I can tell that he is a very caring and passionate person with a great desire to teach people like myself and others on how to correctly trade on the Forex market. I have done so many years in the past unsuccessfully, and I guess the big issue that I had then was that I did not look at the trend of the market. Many times I was trading against the trend, and I was making hastily decisions. Frankly, sometimes I would get out way too soon, and other times I would get in on a trade when I shouldn't have been doing so. Anyway, I'm very confident that now, with the discipline that Saad has taught me, and correctly using the trend lines and the Fibonacci tools with the exponential moving averages, and looking at the monthly chart and the weekly chart, making my bigger overall decision based on them as to when I might get into the market, and then drilling down and being more for certain of when I will get into the market, and then just going right there to the day of, right in the thick of things, so to speak, and waiting for the right time to just get in so I can make the best trade possible. Anyway, I'm confident that is going to be the case this time around. I did learn a lot, unfortunately, through my own mistakes, but I have learned much more from Saad and his program. And he also has another program, which is a private student group on Facebook, that is, and I've gotten a lot of help already there by posting charts and getting feedback as to what I was doing okay and what I was doing wrong. And I do have to agree that the program which he has recommended all of us to get as students and as to continue to use as traders is the TradingView. It's a wonderful program which has helped me see a lot of insight into the Forex market. This opposed to when I was just using the MetaTrader the previous time around many years ago. It has a lot of tools, a lot of the same tools, but they're used in different ways. I guess it's more in depth here, and you have a lot of more customization features. Anyway, that was just crude. This is a very professional put together program, and I am going to get the yearly plan, and they've offered me a 60% discount, so that's great. And I am looking forward at getting started with a live account soon. I'm currently trading on a demo account, and I'm going to follow Saad's plan with his 50 trade plan, and be for sure of the results that I'm going to have before I open the live account. That's what he recommends everybody do, and I do as well. Do what he says, and I'm very confident that I and many others will have great success. Thank you, Saad Ali, and God bless. Bye.